Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by unlocking the S24 Ultra and navigating to settings right arrow biometrics and security right arrow fingerprints. Use your PIN or pattern to confirm identity. This prevents unauthorized changes. Once you're in the Fingerprints menu, tap Add Fingerprint to start registering a new print. Slowly place the pad of your chosen finger on the sensor area several times, lifting and repositioning to capture edges. Make sure the finger is dry and steady. This ensures the scanner records consistent ridge details for reliable unlocking later. Continue by following Samsung's on-screen prompts and deliberately varying angle and pressure as you tap. This captures center and edge ridges. Once the progress bar moves, reposition the finger slightly to record different contact points because diverse samples reduce false rejects. If the S24 Ultra asks, add additional impressions of the same finger to fill gaps. When the system shows 100%, the device has a complete map. Make sure to name or label this fingerprint so you know which one it is. Finish by deciding whether to remove the previous fingerprint entries. Select the old prints and choose Delete or Overwrite if your phone allows. After adding the new print, lock and unlock the phone 3 to 5 times to validate reliability. This reveals marginal captures that need retraining. If you hit frequent rejections, clean the sensor with a lint-free cloth and re-register using different angles. One key troubleshooting tip. If errors persist above about 10%, delete and re-enroll the print completely. Partial retraining rarely fixes systemic capture issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.